Huh? Oh. Welcome back to day 3 on this. Wow. It was supposed to be one night and it's turned into 3 days, so we're just going to have a quick take off of the air intake manifold and the valve cover just to see what's going on underneath there, just to double check. Just a tool. We're going to dump it. So
hand crank it. Ow! Didn't just check that there's anything underneath the wheels. Some screws. There is just a screw. That would have been sad.
who needs a proper mechanical?
I've got that. Yeah. Hey, truck. Nah, it's got diesel in it. You'll do nothing. Be gone. We just like some towing.
Alright, let's go jump start this creature. Handbrake off, yeah?
Yes. It's just lightweight. Right, I'm going to need to straighten it up now as well.
Push.
This is not coming back! I'll just leave it back in.
Basically, we hadn't had the ignition put back plugged in, so yeah, here we go.
That sounds fun. Oh my god!
It runs from. Now straighten up. Yeah, bring it straight. No, straight. Keep coming, that's fine. Keep coming. That's good. Keep coming, straight. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. You've got space. You've got loads of space. Keep coming. I'll tell you, trust me. Stop. That's good. That's good. Huh? I can't hear you. Smoke? Is it coming out?
In here.
Oh yeah. That is the oil filter there. As you can see, bit of a problem under here we had. Yeah, let's just not talk about that. That's all ground off, but it's back on now. Just re-clipped it all in. We've finished off putting the bolts in for the air intake. We forgot we had those, but we've now figured it out. this for the air conditioning is now back on. Just need to look at fixing that all out. We're just having a little look, just double checking that everything's on properly. We think it is down here, and yeah, next stop, radiator. So yeah, that's going to be a fun trip, but let's get cracking.
Doo-doo.
This is the radiator. So first things first with this, there's quite a few, for the air conditioning, there's a few little bits that need to be done. Just make sure it's mounted properly.
Get someone to hold it.
Yeah, get someone to hold it basically. It's a two-man job this. Radiator, there we go. Right, labelled bolts finally.
Jeez. Once you've got it in, then what's that?
Make sure that's down below.
So,
That sits.
oh, hang on, can you get that cable? That's going to be the wrong side of it otherwise.
Just,
Oh yeah,
no,
no,
just, yeah,
no,
just sit
no.
up.
I know, I'm just... Yeah, sits on that. Oh, this is satisfying. Sorry, it's not in, no.
That is
There's something
in now.
No, there's something this side, because this side's not in.
Can you push it up onto that? Stop. No idea.
Use like that clip. Oh, because the middle one is just now completely gone.
Radiator top. Those would be the ones.
Yeah, there's two of them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Torque.
We'll feed it.
It's not essential.
Well, you can feed it up. So.
Down, down, down.
We're back. Bumper's on. Radiator's getting on now. That's still a bit loose, but that's just going to be tightened on
Drop it onto me.
in a second. So, bumper is now connected to the chassis.
What is a creature? It's a life form.
So we've just gone round, putting all the bolts in for the front bumper here, connecting it to the radiator and getting the radiator properly sat properly in the engine. There are nice. So there are 6 of these smaller bolts, and there's 2 in the middle and then 2 on each side. There's some 13mm hex heads, I think, big bolts that connect the actual bumper to the chassis. So those are the main ones. Make sure those are actually on tight. That's what we've got on those a minute ago. Don't really want
There's a ginger beer bottle there.
to. You child.
I know, I remember that.
Next, I'm going to attach that coolant hose. There's another one there, so there's a coolant hose down at the bottom there, and there's a coolant hose up here that you need to attach. So yeah,